I have an egg eater. I've been wondering why. First of all, I'm getting half as many eggs from these chickens as I normally get. Second of all, why the eggs that I get are covered in yolk and slimy crap. So I put these nesting pads in here, and after the first day of putting the nesting pads in here, I realized I just put this stuff in here. I realized that this is what I saw. I didn't see any shell, although today I do see a little bit of a shell there. So I can tell that eggs have been eaten. So I can tell eggs have been eaten here. This really freaking pisses me off. Here, in every single one of them, eggs have been eaten. So what do you do? I guess I have to look that up because I've not had this experience before yet. I wonder if it's her. Yep. I bet you it's her. She is, I think she's one of the whiting tree greens. Yep. This really freaking sucks. This really freaking sucks. I think you have to kill them, don't you? I don't know. I have to research it. I don't really know what to do. Because as soon as somebody lays an egg, she's going to probably come here and eat it. This is just... Yeah. So, this is something that I guess you have to deal with, right? When you raise chickens sometimes. I don't know what causes them to do that, but it's nerve-wracking. I don't want to have to kill a chicken. But if she's going to eat eggs, and I sell eggs. Step number 1, mustard covered eggshells. I'm going to put these in their nesting boxes. So I did some research, and there's a few things that I can do to try to mitigate the egg eating problem. This is number 1. I'm going to do this. Chickens do not like the taste of mustard. I'm also going to get them oyster shells. Put them in their coop, give them extra calcium. I'm going to get them some wooden eggs also to put in the nesting boxes to deter them. I'm just going to see what I can do to deter them from eating the eggs before I do anything too drastic. But this is going to be step number 1. I have curious chickens up here. One of whom I believe is the notorious egg eater. Right there, the white one. I'm curious what she's going to do. My hope is that she hasn't caused the other birds to do this habit. How'd that taste? Yep, it looks like there's more than one, definitely. Yep, more than one. That's definitely a problem. So they're still eating the eggs. I came out here this morning and found 4 eaten eggs. And I'm furious. So right now I'm coating these eggs in dish soap. And I'm going to put the eggs back in there. I don't know if this will deter them, to be honest. So I'm going to have to do something very differently with these chickens, because I have, more than one egg eater. I have multiple egg eaters. And if I don't want to lose my laying flock by killing them because they're eating eggs, I have to just get a different system. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be changing their nesting box. So I'm going to block this off completely with a piece of wood so that they don't have access to their nesting boxes anymore. And I purchased a metal nesting box thing off of Amazon, the kind that has an incline so that the eggs actually roll down into a collecting, kind of like a collecting thing, so the chickens don't have access to the eggs. Like, do I really want to be spending that money? No, I really don't. But I don't have another option, because they're just going to keep eating the eggs. Oh wow, there's actually an egg in here not eaten. Shocking. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to be able to get that for another 5 days or so. So in the meantime, I'm going to give them soapy eggs. And I'm not giving them their treats because I'm really mad at these chickens for doing this. I feed them really good food, and so it doesn't make sense that they're doing it. I don't know. Such is the life of, I don't know. So I'll show you when I get the new chicken boxes set up what that looks like, but hopefully that stops completely the egg eating problem. Let's see what this one does. She's one of the egg eaters. She's definitely one of the egg eaters. Well, that's not working. So forget it. So far, using the fake eggs and gathering eggs 3 times a day is what seems to be working the best. Although I did get a brand new nesting box thing that I'm planning to use, just because most days I really don't have time to be out there 3 times a day. And if I don't go out there 3 times a day, they will eat them. So, but this was my haul today, and that's pretty good. I didn't see any eaten eggs today. I did see 1 yesterday, and generally I've just been seeing, if I do see any, I see 1. So that's pretty good. That's making me pretty happy. All right, so to combat the egg eaters, this is what I ended up getting. So it has oh my God, they actually used it. The eggs roll down. If you see, it's on an incline. That's one of the fake eggs. I think that's the fake egg too, but there is a real egg in this one. So what I'm doing is I'm going to cover up their current situation with plastic so that they can't get in there, so they can only use these. I don't want you to go outside. I got this on Amazon. You can get it off of Temu, but the Temu one, I believe, is just plastic. And this is metal. It is extremely well built, super easy to put together. With an engineer as a husband, I will say that. The directions suck. So we hung it up here. I'm super impressed. So yeah, this I think is the answer. I'm really, really happy with it. Super, super happy with it. So I got that all stapled up, but I got a chicken that got out. So I had to go chase her. Anyway, it's all good. It's all good.